Check out this 2006 Toyota 4Runner. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.